6602 Ralston Road, attempting to do a sewer inspection from a 3-inch basement, 2.5-inch basement clean out. Unable to inspect or camera the line due to heavy tree roots the moment we drop into the pipe. You can see the tree roots there.
Estimate on how many feet?
We pushed in 9 feet. Sewer line will need to be cleaned and re-soaked.